Last will and testament. Will of. This will is executed at Gurgaon on day of 2025 by Shri, Adhar no, and Pan no, son of, aged about years, having of Hindu religion, residing in, Gurgaon, Haryana, India 1,22,009. I, declare this to be my last will and testament with respect to my assets and estates situated in India. Estate declaration. This will shall be governed by the laws of India. I execute a will, and on my death, leaving all property to my children. I revoke and cancel any other will, or codicil, made or signed by me which bear a date prior to the date of this will. Details of previous will and this will in relation to my estate shall supersede all of them. This will shall not in any manner alter, cancel or revoke any will or codicil I may wish to execute for our assets and estate, if any, situated outside of India. I am of good health and of sound mind and capacity, and I am making this will out of my own independent decision and free will and volition, and I have not been influenced or coerced in any manner whatsoever in making this will. Our beneficiaries include: no. Full name, address, details, relation, contact details. 4.1. Referred to as passport, email. 4.2. Referred to as passport, email. 4.3. Referred to as passport, email. 4.4. Referred to as passport, email. Appointment of executors. I appoint the person named below, in case of my death, and all of my estate executor in so far as this will is concerned as my sole executor and administrator. She shall become eligible to be appointed as an executor of my property, real, personal, or mixed. No. Full name, address, details, contact details. 5.1. Passport, email. My executor shall be empowered to distribute my estate as per my will without ascertaining if there is anyone who may be entitled to any interest under the will due to a relationship unknown to our executor, unless the executor has notice of a claim at the time of distribution of estate. Defend at the cost of my estate any objection, challenge or proceedings filed in a court of law to set aside or contest the validity of my will or any provision of my will. Nominate, appoint and consult with any professional services firms, entities or advisors, including law firms, banks or trustee companies for purposes related to or arising under this will. Be reimbursed from my estate for reasonable expenses incurred towards the completion of the execution formalities, including for expenses related or incidental to Clause 6.2. Payment of funeral expenses, taxes, and duties. My executor shall, from my estate, expend such amounts towards my funeral as may be required. My funeral and obsequies ceremonies shall be conducted in accordance with Hindu customs and traditions. Electric cremation, ashes to be immersed in any river, Such expenditure shall be given priority over all other bequests, and my executor shall not be obligated to give accounts of it to anybody. I direct my executor to pay all my debts and liabilities, any taxes, duties, fees, etc. due if any, from my estate which I may leave after my death, and the balance of such estate shall be collected and dealt with in the manner specified in succeeding clauses. Devolution of estate. I own and possess certain movable properties and immovable properties in India as on the date of this will, which have been listed under clause 10. This does not comprise an exhaustive list of all assets owned by me, and is merely to give the executor an indication and a direction to proceed further. All assets in my estate are self-acquired, wherever indicated, and no other person has any right, title, interest or share in any of them, and I have complete testamentary disposition over the same. I bequeath the entirety of my estate in the following manner, absolutely and forever. Immovable assets, residential property, no. Property description, survey, khata, no. Nature of holding, beneficiary, IES 1. Residential apartment. Singly 2%. 2%. 10.2 Financial assets. The 1st of February 2010. Bank account. No. Bank name and branch name. IFSC code. Account number. Nature of holding. Nominee if any. Beneficiary. IES, name and percentage. 1. IFSC code, singly, percent. 2. IFSC code, percent. 3. IFSC code, percent. 4. IFSC code, percent. I clarify that mutual funds and other investments associated other than those linked with the demat account as listed below with any bank account shall be bequeathed to the beneficiary of such bank account. 11. Residuary estate. I may, post the date of this will, inherit, acquire or receive asset, as or I may own or possess certain asset, as on the date of our demise, which are not specifically mentioned in clause 10 herein above. We shall hereby bequeath such asset, as in the following manner and proportions. Beneficiary, percent of residuary estate, percent. 12. Unfortunate eventuality. If the below named beneficiary of my asset, S, predeceases, then the alternative beneficiary, I, is named alongside, shall be bequeathed the asset, S that was bequeathed to the deceased beneficiary, absolutely and forever. Beneficiary, alternative beneficiary, percent. Miscellaneous. I clarify that all schedules here to form an integral part of this will. If my executor receives any bequest under this will, such executor shall receive such a bequest out of my natural love and affection, and not as remuneration for duties carried out by the executor towards executing my will. Any error in the description of an asset will not affect the dispositions made under this will. If any of the provisions or directions in this will are found or declared illegal, inoperative or void for any reason, this shall not affect or interfere with the other provisions or directions, which shall be given full effect to as though the provisions or directions found or declared illegal void or inoperative had not been inserted at all, in witness of which I signed this last will and testament on 2nd day of December 2024, signed and acknowledged by the author as his last will and testament, in the presence of us, who at his request and in his presence have signed as witnesses. Signature of the author of the will. Witness 1 name, contact no, email, address, date. Signature of witness 1. Witness 2 name, contact no, email, address, date. Signature of witness 2. Schedule point of contact, Dakshin. No. Asset description. Point of contact 1. Residential property, 1,22,009, Gurgaon, Haryana. Name PH. Email 3. Bank account. Name PH. 3. Bank account. Name PH. 3. Bank account.